So this is my first time receiving this order where it's $12. CVS is like right up the street to take 50 plus photos. I'm like, I got my headphones in. I tried. I had never seen this. Let me know in the comments if these worth it. I love that they gave us a lot of time. So I just went to like Google and like, hey, Reddit, is this a good idea? So I just accepted it. Now it's saying get paid to take photos of shelves in store. Take photos of all the shelves in the aisle you've been assigned. Your photos will be checked for clarity to make sure self tags are readable. Decline this offer will not accept your acceptance rate. So we're going to accept it. And we're about to go here. And we're going to see. So now it's I'm doing this out in Belleville, Michigan. Take photos of shelves in store. Take clear photos that include all the items. Let's go do it. The way I look at it is 50 plus photos. I don't think it's going to take over an hour, but like, let's say it took an hour, right? $12, making $12 in an hour, which it shouldn't take that long. And I'm only going less than a mile up the road. It's not a bad thing. So let's say it take 30 minutes realistically. So you do that in half, that's $24 an hour. I don't got to use gas. I don't have to deal with stores and maintenance on my car. Just go take photos. And I guess probably if I do it, DoorDash will probably say, hey, Orlando like taking photos in stores. Let's give them some more. Let me know if you ever tried it. Let's see. All right, we made it here. Continue to task. DoorDash has partnered with this store to collect self-inventory photos. These photos help DoorDash shoppers and customers know what's in stock. You can let the store employees know you are going to be taking shelf photos, and store managers should be familiar with the assignment. So I'm going to walk in and tell them that so they won't see me being a weirdo. How to take, okay, at least they show you. So is this a photo or is this a scan? Start with the left side of the shelves and move to the right as you take all items. So it's literally left, bam. Problem is I'm going to be probably in some people's way. Like, hey, move. I need you to get out my way as I take these photos. Take 2 vertical photos at each position. Okay, so it's at the top, bam, bam, then the bottom. Okay, so that's why it's 1 up, 1 down. That's very simple. Take photos straight and level. Okay, I'm not going to be at a gangster lean. No gangster leans. Hold still and do that. And to take photos of these areas in the store. Show instructions. Ask about what you're doing to employees you are dashing, and their company manager has more information. Okay, so to aisle 2, aisle 4. Oh, that's easy work, baby. Let's go get this money. I ain't playing around. I'm about to take the best photos you ever seen in your life, cuz. Hey, I'm a dasher. I'm here to take photos. Hey, I'm a dasher. Hey, I'm a dasher. All right, so I have the aisles up there. Let's start. We're going to start with aisle 2. So we're going to start this way. So it says start with the left side. So is this aisle 2? Does this consider aisle 2? I guess it is aisle 2. So let's see. And do they need this side? I don't know. I'm about to figure it out. I'm happy it's not a lot of people in the store. See, include the top shelf. Okay. I'm including the top shelf. See if that works. Step back. They want more. So it's really asking for a lot. Bottom shelves. De La Cruz got a home run. Bam. Do a step. Top shelf, but be lean back. Slow down and hold still. You're like, bro, your hand's shaking too much. Oh, Lord. I am trying to record and do this at the same time. So bear with me. So yeah, this actually do take a lot of time. So make sure you guys include either the top shelf or the bottom shelves. So right here, Taylor Swift was playing, so they took away the music. But I was saying the first time, 41 photos just was too much, and I need to kind of get it down because it took forever. And say I only need to do 10, but 41 is just going to take way too long, so we need to switch that out. All right, with this one, I basically cut it in half. So I think around 20 should be the deal. I was like, this is easy. Look how small this owl is. So it's getting a lot easier now. I guess I gotta, well, let me stop recording. Just learned something. If you don't take 10, they're gonna force you to make sure you get over 10 photos. So make sure you take 10 at least. All right, so I started at about 7:20. It is close to 8 o'clock, so it took me close to 40 minutes or under. I get another order. Arby's. Let me decline this for a second and talk to y'all about it. So once I complete it, they paid me. Let's talk about the pros and cons. So the pros, you don't have to spend gas money. You don't have to go anywhere, and all you're doing is taking pictures. The cons, people, this drains your battery on a level. Look at my battery. My battery is dead. It is at 24%. It probably drained at like about 40% being in there. My phone started going very, very slow towards the end because the processing it takes to do it. My phone is on fire, such as it's very, very hot. So whatever, it's too much. If you're not comfortable, like a social person, I got lucky. It wasn't a lot of people in there. I probably ran into like 4 people in total doing it. They just looked at me and I'm just like, all right, I ain't had to talk to no managers. They ain't bother me. It's very weird. So overall, would I do it again? Do I recommend it? No, I probably wouldn't do it again because number one, it drains your battery too much. 2, it's very uncomfortable. If I did do it again, I will probably do it if this CVS is 24 hours. If it's like at 2 in the morning or midnight or it's late and I don't get nothing to do and not a lot of orders, I'll probably do it. But now I'm about to literally switch my apps to my phone that I'm recording on. Happy I got 2 phones, because if not, I'm done for the day. And this phone is going slow now. So let me know y'all thoughts. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if you ever did it. Would you do it? All that good stuff. Let's go.